I have too much things and too less space. And I'm only going to take it with me if I have enough space. But it's a mini rocklet. Okay guys, so after this video you might be thinking that I'm a little bit crazy, but everything I'm going to take with me to Korea is 100% needed. 힘든 일에도 웃음만 나오고 대체 내게 무슨 짓을 했어 모두 이상하게 날 쳐다봐 감추려 해도 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 제시카예요. 만나서 반갑습니다. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where everything is about K-pop, Korean culture, and of course Korean learning. And for today's video we are going to pack for Korea together. This is a preview, a little bit messy, but yeah. As you can see, my bag is completely empty. And as I told you, I have 2 luggages. And I am convinced that I don't have enough space because I already pre-packed a little bit. Yeah, but not everything fits in. I don't even have my shoes yet. Okay guys, so now let's get my first luggage. So let's start. Okay. So, there is my first luggage. Oh, mamma mia! I'm so weak. So now I'm going to tell you and show you what I packed so far. And I think I'm going to leave some sweatshirts here because I have just too much of them. Because right now I'm going to take 10 with me and I think it's a little bit too much. So first of all, I have bed sheets. I'm going to take 2 bandanas with me. A belt, a bra, and here comes the mess. Look at it, it's almost full, and I still have a lot of things I want to take with me as well as shoes, because as you can see there is not one shoe in there yet. Here are my bed sheets. I have a lot of jeans with me. Sweatshirts, I have a lot of sweatshirts and pullovers. I might leave this one here, but I think it's pretty cool, so I don't know yet. I don't have a lot of skirts, but I have some skirts. Yeah. This is my first luggage. I'm going to show you now in detail what I packed. And so as I told you, I really need to leave some things here because it's just too full. So I would be really happy if you just decide with me in the comments and tell me what would you leave in Germany. Just what do you think is unnecessary? So as I told you, I have bed sheets with me. I just take one with me just in case there is none, because I heard that in Korea people don't really use like bed sheets and stuff. They just use their blanket or like a printed blanket. I have a really light jacket for summer. I also have this cute dress with me. I think I had this on in one video. Of course now you can't see it like that clearly, and I'm rolling everything like this because I've in like sushi rolls, and because I heard that it saves space in your luggage, and yeah, I think you can try it. I have a lot of tops. I'm taking some skirts with me. I don't even know, do I need an iron, because I have a lot of things that need to be ironed after I'm going to pull them out of here. A lot of jeans. Oh, and actually I'm also on another skirt, and I have this one. It's a pant for snowboarding or for winter, because when I was in Korea in December, January 2020, it was so cold, and I really would like to go to one of those, of course only if it's possible, but in winter there are some festivals like ice fishing and stuff. So I have my pants here and I'm ready. So for example, this one, I bought this at the house of BTS, and yeah, because I think it's cool. I can wear this. I hope Koreans won't think that I'm a Korea boo, because I'm not. But you know, I just love my merch. I don't want to leave it in Germany. That was expensive. I have to wear this. Socks are actually pretty good to fill like holes with it, because you can do them really small. So for example, this is a t-shirt. I don't know, should I take it with me to Korea? I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if you know, but I'm a huge Potterhead, and I love Harry Potter, and that's also why I have a lot of Harry Potter merch. But I think I'm going to leave this here because, yeah, I don't know. And this is also a pullover that I don't know. Is it? Oh no, it's not the pullover, because they have like almost the same colors and stuff, but I think it's pretty cool. That's why I'm going to take it with me. So some of you might know that I have to stay in quarantine for 2 weeks. I'm probably going to watch a lot of K-dramas, and I don't know if I should really take this with me, but if I'm watching K-dramas and it's going to be sad, I'm probably gonna cry, or I'm gonna cry because I'm just going crazy in 2 weeks quarantine. But I have tissues. So let's just put them at the top of it. And some other things that I'm going to take with me are tea. Yeah, quite a lot, I think. I don't know, is it a lot of tea? Maybe. So first tea, second tea, third tea. I don't know if I tried it yet, but so a lot of tea. And if you think this is crazy, you haven't seen the rest of my luggage yet. I don't know if you know, but there is something really rare in South Korea, and it's called deodorant. Because Asians don't have like a specific gene which makes you smell, so they don't smell that fast. And me as a Western woman, I don't want to be like the only one in Asia who stinks. And that's why I bought a lot of deodorant. I put them in the bag because just in case like one gets broken, not the whole thing, not the whole deodorant is in my luggage. And another deodorant that I just have seen lately is like a deo cream. I don't know, do you know this, guys? Because I never heard of it. It's basically a cream you just put under your armpits, and if you take this, you shouldn't smell in 24 hours. So yeah, I thought let's just try it. Because in Korea, there of course is deodorant, but it's really expensive. So yeah, I'm just going to take it with me. I don't really know. Do you guys think this is enough for a year? I also have another one from Rexona. It's this one, and I'm going to put this in my carry-on bag because this is like a deodorant stick. I never used this one also before. I actually love the sprays more, but I don't want to take a spray deodorant with me in an airplane because I don't know, I'm just a safety, because maybe it can explode or something. I don't know. I just don't want that. So as I told you, I am writing like a travel diary. That's why I'm going to take like one of this. This is my travel diary. There are a lot of stories. Maybe I can do a story time someday. Let me know down in the comments if you're interested in story time. So, and I'm going to take some books with me and mangas because, you know, quarantine and stuff, and I won't be able to find German books, I think, in Korea, so I'm going to take some books with me. If you know the anime, but it's called Your Name, and it's such a beautiful anime, and this is the book to it, and I'm going to take it with me because I haven't read it yet. And this is the perfect opportunity because now in quarantine I have 2 weeks. So as you can see, there is not a lot of space anymore. But shoes. I'm going to take a lot of shoes with me. Another thing that I'm going to take with me is this cute baby here. And of course I need to pack shoes with me, so I'm going to take a lot more. Like now I have 5, so those are just shoes for if I want to like go jogging. I don't think I will go jogging, but you never know, so shoes. My filas that I bought in Korea, and now I'm going to take them again with me to Korea, which is kind of dumb, but yeah. Like with those shoes, which I have here now, I'm not 100% sure. When I bought them, I regretted instantly because I was like, oh my god, I paid so much money, but they were actually in sale. And I was like, oh my god, do I really need them? When will I wear them? But actually, they're pretty cool, and now I actually like them because they make me taller. Because I'm actually a really small, cute little person. Buffaloes. They look pretty big. They're, oh my god, they are bigger than my head. I have no space in my luggage, but they have to come with me because they will make an outfit great. And of course we want to be a little bit classy. That's why I'm going to take those shoes as well. Every time I'm going to another country, I'm dressed up myself more. I don't know why. But in Korea, it's different. That's my time to shine, guys, and that's why I'm going to dress up every day. That's what I'm saying now. We will see what will happen. But in Korea, everyone's really after like their looks and how they appear to other persons. And other shoes that I'm going to take with me are a little bit of a challenge because I can't really walk in them, but you know, we're just going to take them just in case we will need them. And those are my other shoes. I actually don't know when I'm going to wear those, but I'll definitely find an opportunity, I think, to it. So 2 more things that I have planned for this luggage, and those are actually my weeks. Plus, of course, some other things that I will need. I Talk to Me in Korean, my first 500 Korean words book. I'm going to challenge myself, and during quarantine maybe I'm going to, yeah, learn all the words, but maybe the half of the book. That would be cool. Then I have a lot of notebooks for Korean learning. I'm going to take those with me. And my new Sogang 한국어. This luggage is full and I have no space for my shoes. We will see what I can do in my second luggage. Hey guys! Whew, this is my second luggage. I know it looks kind of messy, but it's not, trust me. Here is my Korean SIM card, a book that I have for my friend, my sugar bag, cookie. I think I'm going to put this in my carry-on, but I have Tay as well, so I don't know which I'm going to take with me. In here is all my jewelry, a keychain. Yes, this is a kettle, because in quarantine there is no kettle in my quarantine facility. And I'm also going to take ramyeon with me, that's why I need a kettle. So the book I'm currently reading, yeah, some clothing. I don't know if my mom would kill me, but I have a lot of Talk to Me in Korean books. That's why I'm also going to take those with me. I have a lot. Also the Talk to Me in Korean, My Daily Routine, Essential Korean Reading, Common Mistakes Korean Learners Make, Relay Conversations for Beginners, all those books. Sorry, I have a lot of things. I also have like those 2 socks I bought at the house of BTS, and I haven't opened them yet, but I just can't leave them here. That's why I'm going to take them with me. And because I hurt myself often, yeah, some bandage. It's fake, okay? I'm going to take this probably with me, I'm not sure yet. My Instax camera, because I love my Polaroid photos. I actually dropped it in Valencia, that's why it's a little bit broken, but it still works. Another book, it's called Our House. If I'm going to show you the next thing, you all probably think that I got completely crazy. But you know, one thing that I really love, which I really love, and I can't just not have it. I don't know if it exists in South Korea, so I bought something in a mini version, and I'm only going to take it with me if I have enough space. But it's a mini raclette because I love raclette and I love it. Yeah, so I think 2 persons could eat from this. I'm alone, so this is okay. Maybe I make some friends who want to eat with me. Yeah, but trust me, if you haven't ate raclette, it's the best thing on this earth. So yeah, not going to say anything more to this. Let's come to the category, if I have enough space, I will take with me, ... If I have enough space, I will take with me my mangas. On my Tokyo Ghoul, I have more. But just to show you, I want to take my Tokyo Ghoul mangas with me actually. But yeah, I'm going to take some albums with me, but I'm just going to take the CD with me. If you're being honest, my raclette is in this category as well. Okay, another thing that is like not rare, but Koreans don't have it that much, is razors. And you know, because Koreans don't have that much body hair, another advantage of being Asian, so they don't need that really often, but I need it. That's why I'm going to take those kind of things with me as well, and of course my razor, because summer is coming. And of course things that will come 100% with me but in my little carry-on is my camera, the camera I'm filming with right now, some other things like SD cards and a lot of different stuff. Microphone, this is something for if I'm doing like vlogs and something, then I can record it better. A lot of caps, a beanie, and I actually have to fix this. I'm dumb. I pulled on the wrong side and then this happened. But luckily I have a sewing machine and I also know how to sew, so I can fix this problem fast. I want to bring this jacket with me as well. Yes, I bought it in Korea as well. But I think it's so cool. Look at it. It's BTS merch, of course. What should it be? But this is also a thing that I will take with me if I have enough space. So guys, I think I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave a nice comment down below, tell me what of those things would you leave at home, and please don't say my raclette because I want to take it with me. I need it. Really, I can't live with it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you never miss a video, because soon there will be coming a lot of vlogs. I'm also going to vlog my departure from Frankfurt to Seoul. Bye!